Have you ever wondered how to integrate your GitHub account with AWS Cognito? If you're a developer looking to streamline user signups, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to use GitHub as an identity provider with AWS Cognito. I totally get it. Many developers want to offer their users the convenience of signing in with their GitHub accounts, especially when working on developer-focused applications. You're not alone in this quest. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked if it's possible to enable sign up and sign in with GitHub in AWS Cognito, alongside the usual options like Facebook, Google, and Twitter. Let's explore this together. So is it possible? Yes, it is. AWS Cognito does allow for custom identity providers, including GitHub. However, it does require a bit more setup compared to the out-of-the-box options like Facebook and Google. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set this up and what steps to take to make it work seamlessly. To integrate GitHub as an identity provider with AWS Cognito, the user should first create a new OAuth application in their GitHub account. This is essential for obtaining the necessary credentials. Next, the user needs to fill out the application details. They should provide a name, homepage URL, and the authorization callback URL, which is crucial for the integration. After creating the application, the user will receive a client ID and client secret. These credentials are necessary for configuring AWS Cognito. Now, the user should log into the AWS Management Console and navigate to the Cognito service. They will need to create a new user pool or select an existing one. Finally, the user must configure the user pool to use GitHub as an identity provider. This involves adding the GitHub credentials and setting up the necessary scopes. Fun fact, GitHub was originally created as a platform for developers to collaborate on code. Now, it's also a powerful tool for user authentication. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user explains that unfortunately, using GitHub as an AWS Cognito identity provider isn't straightforward. While Cognito supports OIDC identity providers, the OAuth 2.0 specification limits flexibility, making it challenging to integrate GitHub without additional support. Here's a pro tip. Always test your integration thoroughly. Make sure to check the sign up and sign in flows to ensure everything works smoothly for your users. And there you have it. You can now enable GitHub sign up and sign in for your AWS Cognito application. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more developer tips and tricks.